Hello mga ka-amethyst ko. Good morning. Welcome again here sa aking monthly full moon reading for, of course, for May 2024 na po ito. Okay? But you can also watch this whatever time or whenever. Kahit kailan. Basta dumapo siya sa FYP or sa kung sa amang platform nyo to pinapanood, definitely may mensahe ito para sa inyo na pwedeng mag-resonate pa rin, okay? So, this is for my Scorpio, Sun, Moon, and Rising, and any placements will do as well. Something is happening. Okay, again. First card, Ten of Spades. Ang malalaking problema sa buhay mo at mga moments na parang darkness, walang solusyon, imposible na daw masolusyonan or mga bagay na imposible para sa'yo. Okay? Imposibleng masagot, imposibleng gumanda pa yung sitwasyon, imposibleng mabago pa or bumalik pa, gumagano eksena or pwedeng makarecover. Those are the things that you can definitely experience or feel as of now or moving forward, especially for May 2024. Ay pwedeng magkaroon ng pag-asa, lalo na kung may mga mabubuting tao na magparamdam sa iyo ng pagmamahal, karinyo, special treatment, or mabuting pakikipag-usap, simpleng pagpapakita ng magandang gesture sa'yo, definitely, that can change in a bit, in any way, or in a heartbeat. That's what I mean. King of Club, may mga pakikitunguhan kang father figure, older people, husband or partner na kasama mo ngayon kung ikaw ay babae. Kung lalaki naman, definitely matured ka ngayong panahong ito para, alam mo na, iibalik yung mabuting pakikisamang ipinapakita sa'yo or kabutihan, kindness, or authentic, positive gesture, ganon. Ganong eksena yon, okay? Vice versa, pwedeng female energy as well. Wow! 3 hari na. Okay, so, one of you or some of you will definitely deal with different types of people. Kung ikaw ay single, may mga manliligaw ka na iba't iba ang ugali, iba't iba ang karakter, iba't iba ang pinapakita sa'yo. But definitely one of them is someone who truly deserves your matamis na oo. Ang ina naman na, nasa relasyon, makikita mo yung iba't ibang faces ng iyong karelasyon, babae o man lalaki, makikita mo yung pagiging hari niya ng kalokohan, hari niya ng kabutihan, hari niya ng katigasan ng ulo, or pagiging stricto. There's also a scenario here na you're in a group of people na puro lalaki, ikaw ay babae lang, or you'll be dealing with your friends. If you're a male energy Scorpio, you'll be dealing with different types of friends or connections, or there are officials or officers that will truly help you solving those problems or dealing with those problems. Okay? Kasi problem yung first card natin. So, you will be very satisfied bago pumasok ang ika-6 na buwan ng taong ito, which is June. Satisfying moments will occur around May, but definitely mas satisfying sa mga susunod na linggo. 2 of Hearts, especially with your love relationship or connections, and kailangan mo lang maging malinaw, klaro, direct sa mga pakikipag-usap na gagawin mo. You will also contemplate on things like strategical decisions or movements. You will be focusing on some of you will focus on your target, focus on your goals in the next few months or long term pa. But definitely, meron kang pagninilay-nilayan about someone na naging kaaway mo or people na kailangan mong layuan. Alright, so those are the possible things that you will experience, Scorpio. And let's check your tarot card. Tarot reading naman tayo. So, na-shuffle na to. Pre-shuffle na yung ginagawa ko actually. So, Queen of Wands. So, women who has Scorpio placements will definitely look so matured, full of wisdom, expert, someone who is passionately doing their creativities and art. So, pwedeng magagaling kumanta, magagaling sumayaw. You'll be acknowledged as a woman who embodies that. Or, if you're a male energy Scorpio, you'll be dealing with a woman who's very passionate with her craft. You'll be dealing with someone who's very kinahahangaan at nirespeto dahil sa kanyang maturity or expertise. Definitely like that. Or a mother figure in your group or community or family. Importante daw na binibigyan ng pansin ng ating mga magulang na babae. Your mother figure in your family or you being a mother figure definitely will bring celebratory moments. Pwedeng ikaw mag-handle ng ikaw mag-lead na makumpleto ang project. And reasons to celebrate definitely will happen. Hindi ka na doon makakapag-antay until September. So definitely this can happen now. Or meron ng binubuong kwento at proyekto na aabot hanggang September. Alright? So, the Moon card in reverse, these things are no longer secret. Na-reveal na daw ito. Napag-usapan na. Natuklasan na ng lahat. And so, you'll just go with the flow this month. You'll be very adventurous and just do whatever you want. Especially with these people. Or pwedeng itong mother figure na to ay magturo sa'yo na, you know what, just enjoy and go with the flow. Don't worry about too many things, okay? So, ganung eksena yon. Ang oracle card naman natin, let's check the messages that we have to check. Your first card is, if you're putting a lot of boundaries, if you're putting limitations and boundaries, definitely it's helping you out because you're becoming stronger. So your strength will definitely show this coming month. And your cycles and rhythms or yung pagbabago ng emosyon, menstrual cycle or period for other women, or kung lalaki ka, mararanasan mo, ma-witness mo yung mga topa, katoyo ng mga babayan sa paligid mo. Mother figure. Definitely, this is about a mother. Wait a minute, it's May. It's Mother's Day. So that's why it keeps on coming back. That's why. Yeah, peace, Mother Earth, calmness. Some of you, Scorpios, really appreciate their moms, mother figures. You as a mom, you will definitely celebrate with your family this coming month. That's why may celebratory. Oh my goodness. I didn't get that just now. Okay. So, Scorpios are going to be very appreciative and showy. So, especially those people who are separated to their family or nasa long distance relationship, definitely magkakaroon ng communication or mga pakikipag-usap na nag-e-express ng sincerity of love. Next. Especially those husbands or partners that needs to realize and appreciate their women, mother figure, or family na nanay. Kung busy raw kayo sa work or trabaho, or business or investment na ginagalaw nila, naku, huwag niyong kalilimutan regaluhan ng inyong mga mothers. Kasi, alam niyo na, especially if you truly feel that this is a soulmate connection or ito na yung aking tadhana. Do not hesitate like a sinner or saint na pabago-bago ang isip. Because you have to look back from the past. This time around is different. So, good luck. Maraming salamat po and take care. God bless.